What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and we're back, part 3 on this beauty, 2017 Maserati. We're almost finished with it. In this video, we're gonna put the car back together. The bumpers got painted, so put the front end together, the back end, and get this car ready for detail the car, and it's ready for delivery. So I want to say big thank you to you guys for subscribing, for watching my videos. So enough of this talk, let's get back to work, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got the Maserati bumpers primer, prepped and ready to go. We'll start spraying them right now. That's the new grill. That's the front bumper. And here's the rear bumper. What happened? Nothing happened. It looks like brand new bumper again. Got the bumpers in the spray booth ready to go. Andre's gonna start painting them right now. So let's take a closer look. Damn, look at those babies. And then we got Mercedes parts as well. You ready for this, bud? So what's gonna go first since you primered the bumper?
Yeah, just put base coat, clear coat, pretty simple.
Easy and simple.
Easy peasy. We got all these black parts, so clean them all together.
Sweet.
Utilize the booth.
That's right, so yeah, he'll record as much as he can. Bumpers are painted, so let's take a look. Damn! Like nothing ever happened. Same with the back bumper, like nothing ever happened. So tomorrow we'll start installing the bumpers, and the car is pretty much ready for delivery. That was a really quick turnaround. Just how I like it. So I had to get a new grill because this grill is all broken right here and right here. So here's the new grill, so we'll transfer the emblem and should be good. This molding, I had to get a new molding as well. here's the front bumper, so we could start putting the front bumper together. We put the bumper together, so now we could start installing it. So we're all finished with the front end. Let's take a closer look. Boom, look at that. So now we could start working on the back end. That is it, guys. Maserati is officially finished and ready for detail. So let's take a closer look. Damn, look at this. Like nothing ever happened. And we put the trunk together as well. Car is ready for a wash, detail, and delivery. So we're all done with the Maserati. Right now we're gonna take it to a detail center. I have them do a complete detail and pretty much get this thing ready for shipping. But yeah, other than that, the car drives amazingly. Nothing on the cluster. Really clean. Really fast as well, so should be fun car to drive. So just brought the car to the boys, JP Custom Cars. They're gonna do complete detail on the car, get it all ready for shipping. So let's take a closer look inside of their garage. Boom, so here's the Maserati. So they're gonna do complete buff and detail. You guys will see. You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
So it's gonna look like a brand new car once it's done up here. Has a lot of like just dirty spots and stuff like that, so it just needs a complete detail inside out, and the car is going to be shining bright like a diamond. So I just came to pick up the Maserati. Let's go take a look. Damn, look at that thing. Shining bright like a diamond.
I swear I like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love you can't. You need me, say my name.
Brand new car. What do you guys think? Completely different, huh? From what it was? Wow, super. And this is the man. Спасибо, братан. Исполнил. So yeah, if you guys need details and you live in Southern Orange County, come here. They'll take care of you. But yeah, it looks amazing. That's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we got new videos coming out every week, new video, and we got plenty more cars to come. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!